welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you review of Born Pretty gel polish. So these are from Amazon. You can't find them on the website. These are basically 6 gel polishes and they come in this black box. It got a shine myself written on the top and it got like different colors that create the bottle of Born Pretty. So these are the 6 shades that you get. They are in black color, so they definitely are 10 ml. As you know, Born Pretty had different color bottles for different quantity. For example, the white one is for 7 ml, the black one is for 10, and the big one are again black, or sometimes they can be white and they again 15 ml. This is the first shade. It's BP01 and it's basically the lightest shade of pink. Is almost similar to white. You can see it's applying smoothly. It does not smell of chemical. Actually, it does not have any kind of smell. So this is the next shade is BP02. It's slightly darker than the previous one. It's kind of light skin tone pink color, you can say. Again, the density of the gel brush is pretty good. You don't need to worry about that, and the size of the brush is very decent and the coverage is good. But definitely I do recommend you go for second coat so that you can have a better coverage and the color can pop up more. So this is how does it look like. So next shade is BP03. This is basically, I call it a bubblegum shade because it's almost similar to that one. And I don't know if you ate bubblegum before, the pink one, and they exactly look like this. And this is how does it look like. Please don't mind my nail coming out of my glove. It's pretty long, so it just can't stay in, so it's coming out. And the shade that I'm wearing on my nails is the one that I used in the previous tutorial, so if you want to buy it, you can get it from the official website. So next shade is this one is BP04. It's a kind of salmon color, slightly darker than the previous one. So basically in this you're getting different shades of pink, but from the lightest to the darkest. So they are perfect for creating gray nail art, or you know, the trend that is still going on. There was a trend like a few months ago, the hot nail art with the gradient shade. And for these, if you have this you basically don't need to grade all the shades by adding a white color, but you already have them, so I think it's going to be really easy for you to do so. So the next shade is this one is BP05. So all the shades are numbered and you don't need to worry about it. If you store them by side, you can actually see the colors, and if you store them like standing, you definitely need to put something up so that you can see the shade from the drawer, so you don't need to open them all. This is the next shade and it's lighter than the previous one, but it's still kind of pinkish shade, you can say. It's skin tone shade, but it's slightly darker than that one. And this is how it does look like. And again, the application is really smooth. If you want to buy anything from the official website, you can get it from the link that I will leave in the description box, and that will give you 10% off. And if you want to get extra 10% off, you can use my coupon code. It's MANPICO30, and these both are affiliate link, which means that if you're gonna use them, I will get a little bit of commission, but if you don't want to use them, it's completely up to you. So next shade is this one, BP06. It's a glittery shade. I thought it's a reflective one, but still it's a normal one. It's not reflective and it's basically a topper. So this is the final look. That's how does the BP01 look like. This is how BP02 and this is how BP03 look like. I love BP03. It's one of my favorite, and also BP04 is one of my favorite. If you want to see some of the nail art that has been created using this shade, you can see them on my Instagram page. I will be creating them shortly, so I will also try to post them on community tab so that even if you don't have Instagram, you can still have access to them. So this is how does the last shade look like. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I will see you very soon. Bye.